Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ఓకే, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయాలా నేను?
Yeah, okay, sir. You carry on, sir.
ఓకే.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good evening, children. Welcome back to today's session. As we are in linear equations in two variables, part 3. Yesterday and day before yesterday, we have discussed the basics regarding the linear equations in two variables. Actually, what is a linear equation that we have discussed. And yesterday, mainly, we have concentrated on the solution of a linear equation. Now, today, we will continue the same topic. Yes. Now, before starting the topic, just recollect back what we have discussed yesterday, children. What is actually a linear equation and what is its solution? As we have discussed, actually, linear equation means an equation whose variable's highest power is 1. For example, if you can take the 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. It is an equation in two variables x and y. If you observe, the variable's highest power is, here the x variable highest power is 1 and at the same time y variable's highest power is also 1. Overall, the degree of this equation is 1. Such equations are called linear equations. This is a linear equation in two variables. Suppose if you are going to take 5a plus 3b minus 2c is equal to 0. It is also a linear equation, but this is the linear equation in three variables. Here the three variables are, one is a, the other one is b, and another one is c. Why? Because the first term highest power of the variable is 1, second term highest power of the variable is also 1, third term highest power of the variable is 1. Overall, the highest power of the complete equation is 1, so that it is a linear equation. Suppose if I am going to take like this, 5x plus 3 is equals to some 7. So this is an equation, no doubt at all. This equation in variable x only, and the highest power of this variable is also 1. This is also a linear equation, but a linear equation in one variable is specially called as simple equation. సామాన్య సమీకరణం అంటాము. రేఖీయ సమీకరణం అనగానే ఒక సమీకరణం యొక్క చరరాశి యొక్క గరిష్ట ఘాతాంకం 1 ఉంటాయి. అలాగే అదే రేఖీయ సమీకరణంలో చరరాశి 1 మాత్రమే ఉంటే దానినే సరళ సమీకరణం, సామాన్య సమీకరణం అని అంటాం అన్నమాట. సో సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో 5x plus 3 equals to 7. For this, suppose if you take the simple equation, it has a unique solution. Unique means only one solution. 5x plus 3 equal to 7. So 5x is equals to 7 minus 3. 5x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is the possible value for this equation which it satisfies. So as we discussed previously, what is a solution? Solution is nothing but by replacing the variable with a few values or fixed value, the equation must be satisfies. అంటే ఒక సమీకరణాన్ని తృప్తిపరిచే ఆ చరరాశి యొక్క విలువ, ఒకే చరరాశి ఉంటే ఒక విలువ ఒక్కటే ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తాం, అది తృప్తిపరచాలి. అంటే ఈ సమీకరణంలో x 4/5 ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే సమీకరణం తృప్తిపరుస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ సమీకరణానికి సాధన ఏమవుతుందంటే 4/5. x 4/5 కాకుండా వేరొక x విలువ కానీ మనం తీసుకున్నట్టు, సపోజ్ x 2 తీసుకున్నాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5 రెళ్ళు 10 ప్లస్ 3 13, అంటే 5 2 10 plus 3 13, which is not equal to 7, which means that which does not satisfy this equation. Therefore, x equal to 2 is not the solution. This is, so solution always satisfy the equation, but this is a simple equation. As we discussed that x minus y is equals to 4. This is a linear equation in two variables. So if it is a simple equation, if it has one variable, no doubt at all, the values of x which it satisfies is only 1. Whereas come to this equation, this is the linear equation in two variables. Now since there are two variables, we have to consider both x and y as a solution. So what are the possible values of x and y? Suppose I am going to take x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 1. Let us substitute it. 5 minus 1, which will be 4. That means that LHS 5 minus 1 is 4 and RHS anyway it is 4. So therefore 5 will be one possible solution for this. So is it is the one solution which it satisfies means? No. Yesterday we have discussed it. There are infinitely many x and values which it satisfies. For example, I am going to take x equals to 6 and y equals to 2. It satisfies. So x equal to 7, y equal to 3, 7 minus 3, which it satisfies. Likewise, x equal to 8, y equals to 4. So you can able to give as many solutions as x and y which satisfies the given equation. Therefore, these are all are the possible solutions of the given linear equation. So from this, I want to conclude one point that if it is a linear equation in two variables, how many solutions does it exist for that equation? అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక రేఖీయ సమీకరణం XY లో గనిస్తే ఆ XY ని తృప్తిపరిచే విలువలు ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి అంటే ఆ సమీకరణానికి సాధనలు ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి అంటే మనం ఏమని చెప్పొచ్చు అంటే దేర్ ఆర్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్లీ మెనీ అనంతమైన సాధనలు ఉంటాయి. అదే ఒక సమీకరణం అది కూడా రేఖీయ సమీకరణం ఒక చరరాశిలో ఉంటే మాత్రం దానికి ఒక సాధనే ఉంటుంది. కానీ రెండు చరరాశుల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి రేఖీయ సమీకరణానికి అనంతమైన సాధనలు. దేర్ ఆర్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్లీ మెనీ సొల్యూషన్స్ for a given linear equation in two variables. I think it is clear, and yesterday we have discussed about this concept and we have started few problems, example problems based on this, and now today we are going to continue where we left yesterday. Manu ninna ఎక్కడైతే మనం స్టాప్ చేసామో అక్కడి నుంచి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 7 I am going to continue today. Let us read the question. Check which of the following are solutions of an equation. So here is an equation which it is given. So let us write the first given equation. What is the given equation? This is x plus 2y is equals to 4. Now there are 6 options which are given. They are check whether they are solutions or not. అంటే ఇచ్చినటువంటి xy విలువలు వాటి సాధనలా కాదా తృప్తిపరుస్తాయా లేదా అని చెక్ చేయాలి. మనం ఆల్రెడీ we have discussed now itself. If it is a solution, it satisfies the given equation. అంటే upon substituting the value of x and y in the equation, if it satisfies, then it will be considered as the solution. Now what I will do is I will explain two questions from this. As usual, first one I will take for simplicity. So 0, 2. So how to verify this? So to verify this, what I am doing is here is the equation. Whatever the part that is on the left hand side of the equation, we will call it as LHS, left hand side. What is the expression that we have in the equation left hand side is x plus 2y. So what is there on the RHS right hand side, which will be 4. So what you have to do is let us substitute x value and y value in the given equation in the LHS and RHS if they have the variable. Otherwise, now check it once whether they are equal or not upon substitution. If they are equal, then no doubt at all the given is a solution for the equation. So I am going to verify this. Let us check it once. So x is 0 plus 2 into 2. So 0 plus 2, 2s are 4. 0 plus 4 will be equals to 4. As we already know that RHS is given as 4. LHS is 4, RHS. So from this what I am going to conclude is LHS is equals to RHS. If LHS and RHS are equal, then no doubt at all the given point must be the solution of the given linear equation. అంటే ఇచ్చినటువంటి బిందువు అంటే x విలువ y విలువను ఇచ్చిన సమీకరణంలో LHS అంటే ఎడమ వైపున ఉన్న విలువకి కుడి వైపున ఉన్న విలువకి మనం కంపారిజన్ చేస్తే రెండు విలువలు గాని సమానమైనట్లయితే విలువను ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే అది ఆ సమీకరణానికి సాధన అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ 0,2 ప్రతిక్షేపించడం వల్ల LHS is equal to 4 and RHS is also 4. Therefore LHS and RHS both are equal. Therefore 0, 2 is the solution. 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 of x plus 2y is equals to 4. This is one. Now, I will explain one more question. Fourth one I will explain, and later on I will give the time for you and try to give the answer. Please, once again, let us observe that. Don't go for the next question. First, try to listen once again. So, I'm going to take one more question, which it is calculation wise a little bit tough compared with the previous one. Root 2 minus 3 root 2. Again, we have to verify that whether it is the solution or not. Again, the process is same. What I have to do is LHS I have to calculate, I have to compare with RHS upon substitution. Are these two are equal? If they are equal, it will be the solution. If they are not equal, no doubt at all, it does not satisfying. That means that it is not the solution. Now again, I am going to take LHS. So what is LHS? Again, x plus 2y. This is the same. So what is the value of x here? In the given question, x is root 2 plus 2 into what is the y? Minus 3 root 2. Here, this is root 2. Now, while multiplying, this is actually an irrational number, and this is rational. Rational and irrational upon multiplication, while multiplying, we have to multiply the rational parts and irrational parts separately. ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 మైనస్ 3 అనేవి అకనీ సంఖ్యలు రేషనల్ పార్ట్స్. సో we have to multiply those two since it is the bracket multiplication. 2 3s are, so which it is minus 6, and only we have only irrational part root 2 only, so it becomes root 2. So 6 root 2, root 2 minus 6 root 2. Since these two are like terms అంటే రెండు irrational parts with the same irrational part, so it is possible to simplify. That is solution. Root 2 minus 6 root 2. So we have plus root 2 and minus 6 root 2. So that upon simplification, the value we know that it is equals to minus 5 root 2. As usual, RHS does not changes, which is equals to 4. Here, LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore, from this, what we can conclude is root 2 comma minus 3 root 2 is not the solution of the given equation. So in that way, we can verify that and we can conclude that whether it will be the solution for the given equation or not. Is it children, is it clear for you everyone? I think so. I have finished 2 questions and I will give chance to you now. So let us try it, and now it is your turn, children. So I will observe that. What you have to say is, let us check it in your book and check whether it is the solution or not. Now it is your turn, children. Let us do the second question. I will observe you. So your answer should be whether it is solution or not. That is to be given. Yes, some children already given. Dhanalakshmi, Atmakuri, except for third problem, remaining all are not equal, sir. So good, completed. So here, once again, children, please observe that what I am asking is, for the second question, first let us try to give second question, whether it is solution or not. Yes, Shruti has given the answer, so it is no. So in that way, very good, children. So Shruti, congrats. And next, yes, Kilapati Radha Krishna also given it is not the solution, and so Kanaka Durgeshwar Rao also given the correct answer, and Sindhu Pritham has also given the correct answer, and Praveen K also given. Yes, good children, good. Rajashekar also given the correct answer. Well done, very good. So what you have to do is you have to substitute the values, no doubt at all. So once again, I am going to substitute here, and for your convenience, once again, so let us do. So here LHS I am taking. What is LHS actually? Sorry. So here I am taking LHS will be equals to, LHS is equals to x plus 2y. Let us substitute in the place of x 2 and 2 into 0. Upon substitution, 2 plus 0, which will be equals to 2 only. So whereas RHS is, as we know that RHS is equals to 4. So LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore, this also not be the possible solution for this. See, if LHS and RHS both are equal, then only it will be considered as the solution. Yes, very good, children. So many has given the answer, and try for the third one. I need the answer for third question. Now it is your turn. I will wait for 30 seconds. Please respond for this question, whether 4 comma 0 is solution or not. I want for third question now the answer. Please, children. Whether it is the solution or not, you can give the answer. You can try in your rough book and finally you can give the answer. Yes, Yashwant Kumar Royal has given the correct answer, and Hazib Ali, yes, it is given, and Dhanalakshmi Atmakuri also given. Manishwani Harshi has given the answer. Bhavani has also given. Tarun Sai, no. So once again, let us check Tarun. Actually, it is satisfying. It is actually the solution. Layavardhan has also given the correct answer. And Ramanazi Reddy, Kilapatti Radhakrishna also given. Shruti given. Nagu also given. Nagu Nagamani has also given. Gangadaram also given the correct answer. Hazib Ali, as I said, Janaki Ziru also given. Tarun Sai, Gautam Lucky, yes. Yes, children, very good, very good. Saints upon subsequent. So remaining questions I am doing orally, and later on after completion of the class, children, please once again try to do this question. And x value upon substituting for 4 plus 0, which it is equals to 4. Therefore, by seeing that, it will be the solution. And next, so it is your turn, children. Again, fifth question, whether it will be the solution or not. Let us check it once. Now it is your turn. Fifth question. So still nobody has given the answer. Yes, some answers are coming, but I think those are. I'm asking for fifth one. Yes, Nagamani has given the correct answer. Haziwali, BTV Prasad given yes. Let us check it once. Actually, 1 comma 1 upon substitution, I think it won't be equal to 4. So you have given the wrong answer. Ramanaji Reddy also given the wrong answer. Not a solution. Sorry, it is correct answer. Yes, very good, children. And Shiva Shankar has given, Durga given, Nani, Sindhu, Pramila. Sorry. Sindhu Preetham has also given. Layavardhan, Jyoti Swaroop, Hazib Ali, Yashwant Kumar, Somashekar, BTV Prasad. All they have given the Jyoti Swaroop, Nani. Yes, children. Yes, children. Very good. So all they have given the correct answers. So 1 is also not the solution. So let us try to complete, and since these models are the same models, so I am going to leave for you. Why? Because easy one, why to waste the time? So that I am moving to the next question, children. So I think you can able to complete the remaining also, as how we did here. In the same way you can complete it. So I am going to move to the next question, children, and from this onward the questions are some very important in the sense concept wise important. So please listen carefully. So I'm going to read the question once. Children, observe carefully. If x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is a solution of the equation 5x minus 7y equals to k, find the value of k and write the result equation. So first it is asked to find the value of k, and it is also asked to write the equation also. So given equation is what actually? First let us write down given equation. What is the given equation? This is 5x minus 7y is equals to k. Now to this equation, solution is already given. What is actually the solution? X equals to 3 and y equal to 2 is the solution of above equation. So పై సమీకరణానికి x3 y2 అనేది సాధనాన్ని ఇచ్చాడు. ఏట సమీకరణం 5x minus 7y equal. So as we did, if it is a solution, yes, so many children have given the answer. Well done, children. Okay, we will continue first once again. So as we discussed, how to find the solution means if it is a solution, it satisfies the equation. So that first I am going to calculate LHS. So 5x minus 7y. Since x value is 3, let us replace x with 3 minus y value is 2. So 5 3 is a 15 minus 7 2 is a 14. So 15 minus 14 is equals to how much? It is 1. Whereas the RHS value is given as K. So once again, I am going to substitute in LHS and RHS. RHS we have only K only. So therefore, it is not necessary to substitute in that. So we are simplifying in LHS. LHS lo maatrame man sukshmikaran cheyali. So replace x with 3 and y with 2. Upon simplification, the value of LHS. Since it is the solution, since x equal to 3, y equal to 2 is the solution. Since it is the solution, LHS must be equals to RHS. If it is a solution, then only it satisfies. So what is LHS actually? 1 is equal to K. Therefore, from this it is very clear that K value must be equals to 1. So we have calculated the value of K. Once after calculating the value of K, then we have to write the resultant equation. Resultant equation means just replace K in the given equation. That's all. అంటే ఏదైతే K విలువ మనకు వచ్చిందో ఆ వచ్చిన విలువని సమీకరణలో రాసి ఒక సాధారణ రూపంలో రాయడం మాత్రమే. సో therefore resultant equation is equals to, implies this is 5x minus 7y is equals to 1. I'm going to write in standard form, that is 5x minus 7y minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the resultant equation of the particular question. So K value is 1 and the equation is, once again, just I am reminding, in these type of questions, whenever solution is given, substitute in LHS and RHS if the variables are there. And let us try to equate LHS and RHS. Then you will get the unknown value. అంటే ఏదో ఒక మనకి కనుక్కోవాల్సిన విలువ, చరరాశి విలువ ఇంకొక విలువ అడుగుతారు, అది మనకి తెలిసిపోతుంది. Once after substituting that, we will get the resultant equation. And this is, so many children has given, actually I am explaining. So please children, once again, it is very nice and you are responding very nicely. But try to, these model questions whenever different, try to listen once again, even if you know also. So well done anyway. So many children have responded and they have given the correct answer. K equals to 1 and also the given the question, that means equation, resultant equation also given. Well done children, well done, very good. And anyway, we will move to the next one and the next model of the question, that is, and it is also an important model question. Please children, observe carefully. This is, yes children, here let us read the question here. If x equal to 2k plus 1 and y equal to k is a solution of the equation, find the value of k. Again, so the model is likewise only, but instead of giving the x and y value solutions like the previous question, some number format, it is now given in variable format again. So in that, the k value is there, that value to be calculated. So we will follow the method whatever we have discussed previously, the same only. So children, so let the given equation, what is the given equation is, what is the given equation, please write down. This is 5x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0, and the solutions are given. What are the solutions? So x is equals to 2k plus 1 and y is equals to k. These two together is the solution of above equation. So for above equation, so x equal to 2k plus 1 and y equal to k will be the solution. So that again, like LHS I am substituting, LHS I am taking. What is LHS? 5x plus 3y minus 7. Now in that, let us try to substitute in the place of x 2k plus 1, y k. So I am replacing, I am substituting 5x, 5 of 2k plus 1 plus 3 of k, since y value is k, minus 7. Now let us use the distributive property, a into b plus ab plus ac. So 5 into 2, 10k plus 5 into 1, 5. plus 3 into k, 3k minus 7. Now it is an expression, but here there are some like terms. సజాతి పదాలు ఉన్నాయి. సజాతి పదాలను ఎప్పుడు సూక్ష్మీకరించాలి. ఏవేవి సజాతి పదాలు? ఒకే రకమైన పదాలు 10k and 3k plus 10k plus 3k which will be equals to 13k plus 5 and minus 7 which will be equals to minus 2. Now LHS becomes, but what is actually RHS? We know that RHS is equals to 0. Since it is the solution, ఇచ్చినటువంటి సమీకరణానికి ఇది సాధన కాబట్టి therefore LHS, since it is the solution, since it is the solution, so LHS must be equals to RHS. So I am equating. What is LHS actually? 13k minus 2 will be equals to RHS. How much? It is 0. Now let us simplify that. So we need the value of k, unknown value. So if you want k means, let us leave k value on the left hand side and transpose the constants to the other side. So 13k will be is equals to 2. Now I want the value of k. So upon multiplying, so here 13 is multiplying. Upon transposition, which will be equals to 2 by 13. So the value of k will be equals to 2 by 13. This is the value. So with this, this problem also completed. Children, here the x and y solution is given in terms of k. Observe carefully. So that you have to substitute in the equation. LHS is 5x plus 3y minus 7. So that is upon substitution 13k minus 2. And since RHS 0, I equated. If it is a solution, then only we have to equate LHS and RHS. If it is not a solution, we should not equate that. Since it is given solution, అది సాధనాన్ని ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి LHS RHS సమానం చేసాం. So finally we get the value of k as 2 by 13. Yes, so many children has responded, and most children has given the correct answer. Well done, children. Very good. The first Hazib Ali has given the correct answer. Not only Hazib Ali, Yashwant Kumar. Yes, so many. Good. Tarun Sai. Yes, children, very good, all of you. So yes, so many children has given the correct answer. It is difficult for me to read. Once again, I am congratulating all. Well done, very good. Keep it up and try to respond in your chat box if you know that. If you don't know, once again I am saying that please try to concentrate on the explanation. So ఈ మీకు కొంత తెలిసినట్లయితే ఖచ్చితంగా రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి. తెలియకపోతే ముందు ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా చేయాలనే దాని మీద నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తుంటాను కాబట్టి దాన్ని జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. తొందరగా ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వాలని ఏమి మీరు కంగారు పడాల్సిన అవసరం అయితే లేదు. I think now it is clear for you everyone. So with this, actually the example problems are completed. Now, so based on the solutions, whatever the models that we have covered, whatever the concept that we have covered, and based on this, now an exercises frame, that is exercise 6.2. So again the same models only, so that again instead of, if there are 4 or 5 questions, again I will explain 1 or 2 questions and I will leave the remaining questions, children, and after completion of the class you please try to complete the remaining questions. Once again, these models we have already discussed while I am explaining the concept. Even then, from the exercise also, from each model, whether 1 or 2 questions, once again I will explain, and you can try to complete the rest of the questions whatever I left after completion of the class. Please try to complete in your notebook. So here I'm going to explain 4th one and 5th one for convenience, or 2nd and 4th, anyone. So 4th one I'm going to take, for example, this is 13x minus 12y is equals to 25. So what is actually the question is, find the 3 different solutions of each of the following equations. 3 different solutions. Yesterday we have discussed 4 different solutions. One method, the same we will apply here, and whatever the question I have taken, some extent it will be difficult, so that if you can able to write y value, let us write it, or otherwise how I said is serial number, since we need, and x value whatever I am taking, and calculating y value. Here we are going to calculate value of y, and finally x comma y will be the solution. So in this way I am doing. Children, observe carefully. So first one, since it is asked to find 3, as I said yesterday, we can able to take any of the x value, no problem. That is yours. Better to take it x0 and simple values of x, that is 1, 2, 3 or -1. So don't go for the complicated values. Since it is asked to find any 3, so I am going to take x value as 0 first. Now let us write the equation. What is that? 13x minus 12y is equals to 25. Now substitute x equal to 0. 13 into 0, 0 minus 12y is equals to 25. Now this is minus 12y is equals to 25. Now since y, variable y has negative sign, so that let us multiply both sides with minus first. So 12y is equals to minus 25. Now you can transpose y, sorry, constant. So now upon transposing minus 25 by 12. So upon taking the x value as 0, the value of y is minus 25 by 12. So this becomes the first solution. So 0 comma minus 25 by 12. So this will be the first solution. And similarly, I am going to take x value 1 this time. We can able to take any value. So based on the value of x, we are going to calculate the value of y, and finally we will get one solution. So once again, I am going to, so 13 into 1, directly I am substituting, minus 12y is equals to 25. Now let us simplify that. 13 minus 12y is equals to 25. First let us transpose 13 to right hand side. So which will be, so minus 12y will be is equals to 25 minus 13. So which will be equal, 25 minus 13 will be how much? It is 12. So minus 12y is equals to plus 12. Again, like both sides upon multiplying and transposing, now this is y is equals to minus 12 by 12, which will be equals to minus 1. I think it is clear, children. Now we get another value of x and y, that become the solution of the given equation. So that is 1 comma minus 1. I am going to take x0 and x1. So if it is asked to find any 3, in that case you can take any x value, no problem. So based on the x value, let us try to calculate the y value. So, and once again I am reminding that it is better to take x0 one time, x1 or simple values better to take. And one more I am going to do here. So here I am going to do third one. So x this time 2 I am taking. Now upon taking x equals to 2, again 13 into 2 minus 2y is equals to 25. So 13 into 2, 13 2 is 26 minus 2y will be 25. So let us transpose plus 26 to right hand side. Minus 2y is equal to 25 minus 26. So minus 2y will be is equal to 25 minus 26. Upon subtracting 26 from 25, the value will be equals to minus 1. So both sides let us multiply with minus. So 2y is equals to 1. So now since minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, minus 1 into minus 1, which it is equals to 1. So finally the value of y will be equals to 1. Now what is the solution for this equation? So that is x value is 2 and y value is 1 by 2. So finally the three solutions, whatever we get here, one is 0 comma minus 25 by 2 is the first solution, and second one 1 comma minus 1, and the third one is 2 comma 1 by 2. So these are the three solutions. Since it is asked to calculate any three solutions from this, so that these three I have taken. And if you can change the value of x, then based on the value of x, y also will change. Accordingly you will get. I think it is clear, children, for you everyone. So comparatively, out of these 6 questions, and fourth and fifth are calculation wise a little difficult. That means it is for 9th class standard, it may not be that much difficult, but some children may do mistake in calculating these type of simplifications. So that I think it is clear. Now we have the three. So I'm going to do the next one also, children, and I will explain the fifth one once again. So So some extent steps I will reduce and I will give. Yes. Here children, this is the fifth one. So what is the given equation? Let us observe that 10x plus 11y is equals to 21. Here also. So the first point is x equals to 0 I am taking. So children, here likewise I am going x 0. Let us substitute. So 10 into 0 plus 11y is equals to 21. Now from this, what is 11y? Will be equals to 21. Why? Because 0 plus 11y is 11y itself. So now what is the value of y will be? 21 by 11. So the first solution we get, that is 0 comma 21 by 11. This is one solution. Like the previous one, it is also regarding the simplification case. It is comparatively the previous questions, it is a little bit complicated. So even then, now let us consider this time I'm going to take x value. This time let us 1 instead of 1 minus 1 I am taking. Even we can able to take any value. Please remember children, this is what I am saying again. 10 into minus 1, this is minus 10 plus 11y is equals to 21. Now, so minus 10 upon transposing to that side plus 10, that means 11y will be is equal to 21 plus 10. So which will be 11y will be equals to 31. Now what is the value of y will be? Y is equals to 31 by 11. So here we have one more solution which it is, that is minus 1 comma 31 by 11, I think. So this is clear. Likewise, we need one more solution for this. This is the third one I am going to calculate. This time x is equal to plus 1 I am taking. We can able to. So if you can take plus 1, 10 into 1, which will be equals to 10 plus 11y is equals to 21. Now upon transposing, so 11y will be equals to 21 minus 10, which will be equals to 11. Now the value of y will be is equal to 11 by 11, which will be equals to 1. Now finally we get another solution, that is 1 comma x is equals to 1 and y is equals to xy, that is 1 comma 1. So finally we have three solutions here also, 0 comma 21 by 11 and minus 1 comma 31 by 11 and finally 1 comma 1. So here in this question, once again, please children, look at the question. It is asked to find any three different solution. మూడు వేరు వేరు సాధనలు కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. సో మనం x విలువ ఏదో ఒక విలువ తీసుకుంటాం. ఇచ్చిన సమీకరణంలో x విలువను ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే x విలువ కనుగొనగా y విలువ వస్తుంది. ఆ x y కలిపి ఆ సమీకరణానికి సాధన అవుతుంది. అలాంటి మూడు x విలువలకి మూడు y విలువలు వస్తాయి. వాటితో ఏర్పడే ఈ క్రమయుగ్మాలు, the coordinates will be the solution for the given equation. We have here 6 questions children actually. So all are the same model calculations. I think regarding calculation wise, whatever we discuss now, the questions 4 and 5 are little bit complicated regarding the questions wise. I think the remaining questions are very easy regarding the simplification concerned also, so that you can able to complete the remaining questions in your notebook after completion of the class. I think it is enough for you. I think no need to discuss the remaining questions. So if you don't have the textbook, please copy the questions and you can complete later on after the class. If you have the textbook, we have completed only 4th and 5th, so that after completion of the class, please try to complete the remaining questions. I think it is clear for you everyone children. So few have given the answers also. Well done, very good. So we are moving to the next model of the question. So here 4 more questions are left and those 4 questions I am leaving for you. Yes, observe children here. If 0 comma a and b comma 0 are the solutions of the following linear equations, find a and b. again, this is also relating to the solution, but the different model, that is second model. So in this also, I will try to explain two questions and one more question will be left, and that you can complete. And first, we will complete one question, and based on that, you can respond for the next question also. So I'm going to complete the first one. I'm going to take. What is the first question actually? 8x minus y is equals to 34. 8x minus y is equals to 30. So here two solutions are given. 0 comma a and b comma 0 are solutions. So first, there are two solutions given, not one solution. So we will take the first solution, and since it is the solution, it satisfies the given equation. 0, a అనేది సాధన కాబట్టి ఇచ్చిన సమీకరణంలో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే అది తృప్తిపరుస్తుంది. సో తృప్తిపరుస్తుంది కాబట్టి దాని నుంచి మనం అన్నోన్ వాల్యూ అంటే ఏదైతే విలువ కనుక్కోవాలో దాన్ని కనుక్కోవచ్చు. సో ఫస్ట్ కేస్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ ఇన్ దట్ ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ 0, a is the solution. So let us substitute in that. So since the solution satisfies the equation, so what is the equation? 8x minus y is equals to 34. So 8 into 0 minus, since the value of y is a, is equals to 34. So 8 into 0 is 0. 0 minus a is equals to 34. So 0 minus a is minus a. Minus a will be 34. If minus a is 34, what would be a value? It will be minus 34. Why? Because upon multiplying both sides with minus, so minus of minus a will be plus, and plus of minus 34 upon multiplying with minus, so which will be minus 34. So from this, we got the value of a, that is, this is the first part, and it is in that one more part is given 0 comma b is also solution. 0 comma b is also solution. If it is solution, once again what we can do is we can able to substitute this in the given equation. అంటే ఈ విలువను కూడా మనం సమీకరణంలో ప్రతిక్షేపించవచ్చు. ఇది కూడా తృప్తిపరుస్తుంది. It satisfies. So that again I am substituting 8x minus y is equals to 34. So 8 into 0 minus b is equals to 34. So this is 8 into 0 is 0 minus b is equals to, sorry. So it is, sorry, I am doing small mistake. Here it is given b comma 0. Children, please observe. Okay. So then in that case the values will change. Please observe once again. So this is b comma 0 is the solution. So x value is b minus y value is 0. So 8b will be 8b minus 0 is 8b, which is equals to 34. This is 8b minus is 34. So from this, what will be the value of b will be? So upon transposing to right hand side, b will be is equal to 34 by 8. So 2 table 2 17 ja 2 4 ja. So the value of b will be is equals to 17 by 4. So from this, we get the value of a as minus 34 and value of b as 17 by 4. Once again, children, since it is given 0a and b0 are solution. 0a means x is 0, y is a. So that I have substituted and calculated the value of a. And it is given that b0 is also the solution. So in the place of x, substitute b. In the place of y, substitute 0. Then upon substituting and simplifying, we get the value of b as 17 by 4. So yes, children. So now it is your turn, children. I'm going to give for you. So let us try it. And now I'm going to give for you the second question, that is the question number 2. Please note down the question. 3x is equals to 7y minus 21. Now first 1 minute time I will give. So first 0 comma a. So x0, y, a, let us substitute and find the value of a. Let us, it is your turn, children. Now I want the answers, please. Janaki Sharma, screen is not clear. I think maybe due to because of networking problem only. I think maybe yes. Now let us, children. It is your turn. I want the value of A. Let us write what is value of A. So yes, Tarun Sai has given, and it is given as 0, 3, but they asked A and B. Simply you can write A. So Ramanaji Reddy has given BTV Prasad 0, 3. So since it is asked A only, please write down as A value. A is equal to something. Yes. Radha Krishna has given the correct answer. Hazib Ali has also given the correct answer. Nagamani also given the correct answer. Nagamani, oh sorry. Nagamani, you did the mistake regarding the calculation. You please check it once, and it is not the correct answer. Tarun Sai also given the correct answer. Gangadaram, BTV Prasad, Ashwani Dasari, Sachin Reddy, Surya Narayan Reddy, yes. Satish, so Nani, Sudarshanam, Janaki Sharma, yes children, yes, very good. All maximum children has participated, and all they are giving the correct answers. Well done, very good. And so here it is asked to find only the value of A. So let us write replace x with 0 and y with, since it is 0 comma A is the solution. So x you have to replace with 0 is equal to 3 into A minus 21. So 3 zeros are 0, 7A minus 21. So I am, since variable part is completely on left hand side, so I am replacing left hand with right hand with left hand. 7A minus 21 will be equals to 0. 7A is equal to minus 21 plus 21 upon transposing. So the value of A will be is equal to 21 by 7. So which the value of A is 3. So that's all. So from this we get the value of A as 3. Now one more it is given as the value of B, it is asked to calculate. So the solution, so we have to take B comma 0 as the solution. So B comma 0. Now, so what you have to do is let us substitute X with B and Y with 0. Let us substitute. So 3 into B is equals to 7 into 0 minus 21. So which is 3B is equals to 7 zeros are 0 minus 21. So now 3B will be is equals to minus 21, 0. Now I want the value of B this time. So yes. Now B will be is equals to minus 21 by 3. 3 how many times? 7, but there is a negative sign. So B will be equals to minus 7. So from this we get the value of B as minus 7. Okay, Livevardhan, no problem. Just it is difficult for me to read. Some are skipping, so no problem. You are good. You can able to complete. Well done. So some children names I cannot able to read. Why? Because few are giving at a time. Therefore, it is scrolling like anything, and it is difficult for me to read the names. And even if I did not read the name, you don't feel that you have to keep in chart definitely at one time. I will call you, no problem. So well done, children, and you too have completed, and we have 5:53. So it is the time to close, and we have one more problem is there. So you please try to complete and give the answer. So I need the answers, and if you can give the answers, and I will close the session. So please, children, try to complete the third question, that is 5x minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0. So I need the answers from you, children. 5x minus 2y. So let us substitute 0 comma a in the given equation. X value 0 and y value a. So I want the value of a first. Yes, very good. First, Ramanaji Reddy has given the correct answer. Yes, very good. Ramanaji Reddy. And Nagasai Nikhil also given the correct answer. Layavardhan has also given the correct answer. Ramnazi Reddy. Yes, I already read. Nagasai Nikhil. Good. Yashwant Kumar Royal has also given. Sindhu Pritam. Yes, very good. Good. And one more. Gautam Lucky. Yes, also given. Layavardhan, as I said, Hazib Ali also given the correct answer. Ashwani Dasari. Yes. Very good, children. Vinay has also this time. Jyoti Swarupo. Yes, children. So upon substituting x value 0 and y value a, so a should be equals to 3 by 2. And similarly b, quickly, we have less time, 1 minute time. I want b value. Let us substitute b comma 0 in this. So many are giving but minus sign. So yes, this time first Jyotika Priya. No, Tarun Sai. Yes, minus 3 by 5 is the correct answer. You please check it, Jyotika Sai. Yes, good children. And I want the value of minus 3. Livardhan has given. And Sindhu. Good, good. Yashwant Kumar. Well done. Very good, children. So here we have 6 o'clock another class, so that I am going to conclude the session. So please, whatever the problems we have not completed, please try to complete in your notebook after the session. So thank you. Bye. So at last, what I want to stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks.